Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. I hope you were having a productive day so far. If you're working on your car or just want to learn more about car maintenance, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, how to spot the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. Now, if you've ever wondered what keeps your wheels spinning smoothly, it's the wheel bearings. These small but mighty parts support your car's weight and allow the wheels to rotate with ease. But when they wear out, things can get dangerous. So it's important to know what to look for. Let's get into it. Symptom 1. Strange noises. The first sign that your wheel bearing might be going bad is strange noises while driving. If you start hearing a growling, humming, or rumbling sound that gets louder as you speed up, pay attention. This noise is usually coming from the faulty wheel bearing. Here's a quick trick to pinpoint which bearing is the problem. When you turn the steering wheel, listen closely. If the noise gets louder when turning right, it might be the left front wheel bearing. Why? Because when you turn right, more of the car's weight shifts to the left side, putting extra pressure on the left wheel bearing. Cool, right? Symptom 2. Loose steering wheel. Next up, a loose steering wheel. As the wheel bearing wears out, the affected wheel can start to feel wobbly. This leads to a noticeable play in the steering. You'll notice it especially when turning or driving over rough surfaces like bumpy roads. It might be time to check the bearings. Symptom 3. Steering wheel vibrations. Another clear sign is vibrations in the steering wheel. If your steering wheel starts shaking, especially when you drive faster, it could be a bad wheel bearing, causing the wheel to wobble. This wobbling travels through the car's tie rods to the steering rack, making you feel those annoying vibrations. Symptom 4. Abs light on. And finally, if your abs light comes on, it could be related to the wheel bearings. Some cars have abs sensors that are connected to the wheel hub assembly, which holds the bearings. When the bearings wear out, it can cause these sensors to malfunction and trigger the abs warning light. So, there you have it. The 4 main symptoms of a bad wheel bearing: strange noises, a loose steering wheel, vibrations, and the abs light turning on. If you notice any of these signs, don't ignore them. A faulty wheel bearing can lead to serious issues like the wheel coming off while driving, which is definitely something you want to avoid. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Weekly Tools. Keep your ride smooth and safe.